If you've been using Firefox and you want to move all your bookmarks over to Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import and transfer bookmarks from Firefox to Chrome step by step so you can bring over your saved sites quickly and easily. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its settings and tools. From the menu that appears, click Settings. Now you'll be taken to the Chrome settings page. On the left or within the settings page, look for the section called You and Google. This is where Chrome keeps sync and import options, so click on that section if needed. Inside, you should see an option called Import Bookmarks and Settings. Click that option to begin the transfer process. If you don't immediately see it, don't worry. Chrome sometimes hides it, depending on the layout or browser version. Just use the search settings box at the top of the settings page and type Import Bookmarks. Chrome should bring up the exact option you need. Once you find it, click to open the import window. In the Import Bookmarks and Settings window, you'll see a From drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and select Mozilla Firefox. If you see Mozilla Firefox default release, you can choose that as well. This tells Chrome which browser you want to import data from. Next, Chrome will show you a list of items you can import. Usually, this includes bookmarks or favorites, browsing history, saved passwords, search engines if available, and autofill form data if available. If you only want your bookmarks, make sure that is selected. If there are other items you don't want moved over, simply uncheck them before continuing. This is a really useful step because it lets you control exactly what transfers from Firefox to Chrome. For example, if you only want your bookmark collection and nothing else, you can keep it clean and avoid importing data you don't need. On the other hand, if you want a fuller switch, you can bring over additional browsing details too. Once you've selected everything you want, click Import. Chrome will now start pulling the chosen data from Firefox. Depending on how much information you have, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. When it's finished, Chrome will confirm that the import was successful. After that, check your Bookmarks bar or Bookmark Manager in Chrome to make sure your saved Firefox bookmarks are now available. If you don't see them right away, refresh Chrome or open the Bookmarks menu to confirm they were imported correctly. And that's it. You've now imported and transferred bookmarks from Firefox to Chrome. It's a fast way to move your favorite websites without having to save everything manually again. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more useful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with any other browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.